Well, we're kind of far off, but we just got here. Record games are going on right here. Looks like they're kind of finishing up this event, but we're gonna just enjoy the weather here for a minute and go check out the next event. Hi, sweetheart. What do you think?
Today's my lucky day. Here, now you get 5. Where are you guys from?
St. George.
Oh, you're from Utah.
Yeah.
You're almost as old as my daughter.
How old's your daughter?
She's 4.5.
Is she? She just turned 4, so.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, they are.
She's tiny.
See, I knew how old you were.
Yeah.
This many, huh? Danger, danger!
Like how